Happy holidays! It's the best time of the year to give unconditionally. Check out this gift idea. Turn cardboard into this animal print candy purse. Welcome new subscribers. Welcome back to Wild Things Creative Crafting. Subscribe. Click the bell to receive all new posts. Like this video. This purse is filled with all types of assorted chocolates. This charming purse was donated to a special lady who fell in love at first sight in Gainesville, Georgia. Thanks so much for watching. You're crafting with Inez from Wild Things Creative Crafting.